Hello friends, welcome to Kid Story. Subscribe this channel. Today we will learn bird's name in English. Hummingbird. Humming-bird. Hummingbird. Pigeon. 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 Ostrich. 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 Crow. 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 Parrot. 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 Peacock. 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 Tailor bird. Tailor. Tailor. Bird. Bird. Tailor bird. Goose. 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 Moyna. Myna. Moyna. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel.